What if your marine adventures never ran out of power again? Today, I'm revealing the top 6 best marine solar panels to keep your boat fully charged anywhere. You'll discover reliable, high-performance options worth your money. Welcome to the channel. Check the links below to grab yours easily and start sailing smarter. At number 6 is Renogy 200-watt flexible. What if a single flexible panel could quietly power your entire boat day after day? The Renogy 200-watt flexible solar panel delivers around 1,000 watt-hours daily, and that changes everything. First, performance. Its half-cut perk cells squeeze more energy from sunlight, even in tricky marine conditions. But here's the real win: flexibility. It bends across curved decks, installs fast, and feels almost weightless compared with others, perfect for boats where space is tight. Now, durability, IP67 protection, strong wind resistance, and serious snow load tolerance bring peace of mind offshore. Compared with others, it's lighter and easier, but slightly less rigid in long-term structure. So, is it worth it? If you want reliable, hassle-free marine power, this is a smart, confident choice. Would you trust flexible panels at sea? On number 5 is Callsun N-Type 16BB. What if your solar panel could generate power from both sides while others waste half the sunlight? The Callsun N-Type 16BB solar panel brings that edge with up to 25% efficiency and bifacial output, boosting energy by nearly 30%. Impressive, right? Now, performance. Its N-type cells and 16 busbar design reduce heat loss and cracks, giving you stable marine power when you need it most. But wait, shading is where it shines next. Twin cell design keeps energy flowing even if part of the panel is covered, huge relief at sea. Compared with others, it's more advanced and durable, though slightly heavier. Installation feels quick and secure, adding peace of mind. So, should you buy it? If you want maximum output and long-term reliability, this is a smart investment. At number 4 is Renogy 200-watt N-Type. What if a smaller panel could actually give you more power where it matters most? The Renogy 200-watt N-Type solar panel surprises with 25% efficiency and a compact build that fits tight marine spaces effortlessly. Now, performance. Advanced 16 busbar cells reduce energy loss and handle heat like a pro, giving you steady output even under harsh sun. But here's the catch you'll want to know. Flexibility in 12-volt and 24-volt systems makes installation stress-free, solving a big headache for boat owners. Compared with others, it's lighter and more efficient, though slightly premium in feel. Reliability? Low degradation means long-term peace of mind. So, is it worth it? If you want consistent marine power without space issues, this is a confident, smart pick. On number 3 is Callsun Anti-Shading Bifacial. What if shade on your boat no longer meant losing power at the worst moment? The Callsun Anti-Shading Bifacial solar panel changes the game with 4 independent sections that keep energy flowing even when part of the panel is blocked. Sounds like peace of mind, right? Now, performance. Its bifacial design captures extra reflected light, boosting output by up to 30% while maintaining stable voltage. But here's what really matters: no sudden drops, no controller stress, just smooth, reliable charging all day. Compared with others, it handles shading far better, though slightly more complex in design. Durability and long warranties add confidence for marine use. So, is it worth it? If you sail in mixed light conditions, this is a smart, worry-free upgrade. At number 2 is Topunive 100-watt 12-volt. What if a lightweight panel could quietly solve your biggest marine power struggles? The Topunive 100-watt 12-volt flexible solar panel feels almost effortless to use, yet delivers surprisingly strong performance. First, flexibility. This panel bends easily over curved boat surfaces, solving that frustrating installation problem many face. But here's where it gets interesting. Its 9-bus per cell design pushes efficiency up to 23%, giving you steady output even in limited space. Now, durability, IP67 protection and etfe material mean it handles water, heat, and rough marine conditions with confidence. Compared with others, it's lighter and easier to mount, though lower in total power output. So, who should buy it? If you want a simple, reliable, space-saving solution, this is a smart pick. Now moving to the last one is Renogy 100-watt flexible. What if your boat could stay powered all day with something you barely notice installed? The Renogy 100-watt flexible solar panel delivers around 500 watt-hours daily, quietly solving one of the biggest marine frustrations: limited power in tight spaces. First, design. It bends up to 240 degrees and feels incredibly lightweight, making installation smooth and stress-free. But here's what keeps you watching. Performance, half-cut perk cells boost efficiency, giving you consistent energy even under changing sunlight. Now, durability, IP67 protection, and strong wind resistance bring real offshore confidence. Compared with others, it's easier to handle and more adaptable, though lower in output. So, is it worth it? If you want reliable, compact power with zero hassle, this is a smart choice, but will 100 watt meet your needs? The winner is Callsun N-Type 16BB. If you want the best overall value, this is the one to buy. It delivers higher efficiency, produces power from both sides, and performs reliably even in partial shade, something most panels struggle with. That means more consistent energy on the water without worrying about positioning. It's built tougher, lasts longer, and gives you maximum output for your investment. If you care about long-term performance and dependable marine power, this panel simply does more than the rest. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best marine solar panels. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.